Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying there is a usable Icloud backup and signing into the same Apple ID. This ensures the app data matches the stored snapshot. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so the restore won't interrupt. If the app data requires a full device restore, perform the reset path in Settings. If not, proceed to app-specific restore steps. These initial moves prevent version mismatches and incomplete downloads as you continue. During setup, pick the correct iCloud backup and start restoring. You can monitor progress on the apps and data screen. The device downloads apps first, then requests their data from iCloud. Open each app after download to prompt any in-app restores. Make sure you sign into app accounts and re-enable any app-specific iCloud toggles in Settings. This reconnects account tokens and triggers server-side restores. Keep the device on Wi-Fi and plugged in, because larger app data can take time to sync. As final steps, inspect each restored app to confirm settings, messages, and media are present. Test logins and app behavior. If data is missing, try toggling the app off and on in iCloud settings, reinstalling the app, or rerunning the restore from the same backup to pull missed items. One key troubleshooting tip: if encrypted or account-linked data fails, check you use the original Apple ID and passwords, and contact the app developer or Apple support for locked or sensitive data recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.